Hello and welcome to the video. My name is Aubrey and I'm the marketing coordinator here at Infotect Design Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to automate transcriptions for your next Microsoft Teams meeting. Let's get into it. First, we are going to make sure your transcription settings are turned on. To do so, you're going to open up Teams and click on the icon of yourself in the upper right hand corner. Here you'll see settings and it'll open up a new window. You're going to go down to captions and transcriptions and click that. Here you'll see the transcription allow button and you're going to want to make sure that's turned on. You do so by just clicking the little box until it turns green. Next, I'm going to show you how to manually take notes in your next Microsoft Teams meeting. To do this, you're going to go open the meeting in question and go to the top of the screen where the three dots are located that say More Actions. You're going to scroll down to Meeting Notes. To the right of the screen, a button is going to pop up that says Take Notes. Make sure to click that. Once you've done that, a new Notes section will open up in your Microsoft Teams. This will have the name of your meeting, and everybody a part of the meeting will be able to add notes to this section. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to automate your note-taking in your next Microsoft Teams meeting. To do this, you're going to go to the meeting in question. Then you're going to go to the top of the screen where the three dots are located that say More Actions. You're going to click that and scroll down to Start Transcriptions. This will only appear if you followed step 1 and allowed transcriptions to happen on your Microsoft Teams account. Once you start transcriptions, the top of the screen will notify everybody that the meeting notes have started. To the right of the screen, you will see the transcriptions in question. Now you're able to automatically transcribe your Microsoft Teams meetings. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see. Have a great day and see you in the next video.